Ayon sa mga ibang sekta na ito daw makita natin sa Book of Revelation chapter 17, ang nakasaad doon, sabi ng isang anghel, "Alas, alas, the Babylon has fallen." It refers to the mother of harlot, yung Babylonia na mention dyan. At ito po ay according sa mga interpretation ng mga born-again Protestant, ito raw po ay Katoliko. Ako'y natatawa kasi po hindi sila kumukonsulta sa ibang libro ng Biblia. Kasi kung basahin natin ang Isaiah 21 verse 9, nandoon rin ang Babylonia. At sabi ng charioteer, the same statement that the angel says to the mother of Babylon in the book of Revelation, ganito yung statement sa Isaiah 21:9. "Alas, alas, the Babylon has fallen, the habitation of demons and idols." Sa Isaiah yon. And then if you continue reading to Isaiah 21 to 11 hanggang 13, nandoon mga kapatid, woe to Duma, woe to Arabia, Timan, Dedan, Shir, and Kir. This will be destroyed by the charioteer at that time. The question here, bakit Katoliko ang binato nyo sa Biblia na ito? Hindi po ito Katoliko. Because contextually, ito po ay makikita natin na itong lahat po ay mangyari sa Middle East. And I believe this would be the destruction of Saudi Arabia. Kapatid, na-predict na yan sa Revelation 17 at saka Isaiah 21:9. This is not a Catholic church. That's why we have to pray for the people in Saudi Arabia, the people of Israel, and all the people of this world. Kaya, don't be deceived by these pastors who propagate, who tells lies to us, but instead, listen to your priest, to us. Thank you so much. Ito po inyong lingkod, Brother Bo.